Good morning everyone, Justin here again, and today we're doing another water bottle. So here we are with the Thermoflask bottle, and all I gotta do is first is sand off the labels with a 120 grit sandpaper. So this is what we get, and it gives it a nice tooth for the paint to stick onto a little bit better. And I also masked off the top there. So generally gotta put in a couple coats in order to get a even color, more or less. And I just use a hair dryer to quickly dry it in between coats. I added a keyboard design here, so I just block it off first with white Posca paint, and again second coat just to make it a little bit more even, although it leaves it a nice kind of a different texture just to even just leave it with one coat. But regardless, I usually do 2 coats, and I'm outlining this with a gray, kind of a silver color, and it gives it a nice touch really. And I extended the outline over onto the top part of the letters of EVA, her name. And again, just quickly dry it real quick, and feel free to always go back and touch up any sections that you want just to make, say, the curves smoother or whatever. And here we are, I'm outlining everything now, all the letters with a medium black. And again, this really sets it off against the background design. And I'm just adding a quick highlight over the upper left of each letter. And I'm gonna also add a shadow line with a dark blue, I believe. Yep, dark blue thin marker for the bottom right parts of the letters. And I'm pretty much done with the letters here, her name. So on to the keyboard design. I'll use a thin Posca marker to outline the white, and this is really kind of like the most difficult, just trying to get the curves to be fair, smooth, and even. So take your time with sections like this, and don't worry about making it perfect. So drawing a keyboard is really easy. Now this one changes the angle from the left key to the right key, so just draw parallel lines and be sure to adjust the angle so that both ends match up. And then what really makes it a keyboard are the black keys. So all they are alternating groups of 3 and groups of 2. So count them off. I mark off the ends of the black keys with a dot, and so I simply thicken the upper lines to make the black keys. So really easy. I use that design a lot. By the way, the reason for the keyboard, of course, is that Ava plays piano really well. And I'm also adding a violin here just because she also plays violin. So here we are. I'm just going to use a simple design using a thin white marker. And this is going to be a simple outline. To add color and make it more realistic would be a little bit too much and maybe detract and be a little bit too busy because I already have the keyboard over there. So notice I also didn't totally outline the violin, and the strings are just suggested by interrupted lines. So that's it for the front. Now for the back, I decided on anime type, manga type cartoon of her, just a girl with ski goggles holding a snowboard. And the reason for that, of course, is that she snowboards, or she's just started learning and seems to like it a lot. Of course, I added a ponytail because she wore a ponytail while learning to snowboard. And again, this is just a simple line drawing, nothing fancy. And that's pretty much it for this design. All I got to do at this point is to spray a few coats of a clear coat to help protect it. Oh, and I also added the Oakley goggles. And once the clear coats dry, that's pretty much it. That's done. So thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and you give it a try as well. Doesn't take much time, but it turns out really well. Sorry I don't have a final picture with the clear coat, but it really looks nice with the clear coat. Thanks for watching and have a great day. See you next time. Bye.